Another quality listing by Sabella Realty. Your next home offers space, and more space. With over 2,900 square feet of living space on an oversized triple lot, this 3/2 home offers tile floors throughout this flexible floor plan with an expansive great room on both the first and second floor. Either of these rooms offer flexibility and can be converted into additional bedrooms or home offices, or leave them just the way they are. Entertaining your friends and family will be a breeze in the large and unrestricted kitchen. If you're not a chef already, you will want to become one. The kitchen and walk-in pantry is a dream come true. Set up your private showing today, you won't be disappointed.